65 miles out in the ocean off Cape Hatteras is where U.S. Coast Guard Air Station Elizabeth City crews got a rescue call on Tuesday. I'm Will Thomas, your Outer Banks neighborhood reporter. 4 passengers were saved from the boat, and along with it, a first-time experience for the rescue swimmer. This video shows the special moment that 2 people, their dog and cat, stepped out of the helicopter after being rescued by the U.S. Coast Guard on Tuesday.
Yeah, it was my first dog and my first cat. I'm stoked to get him on the same case here, so it was awesome.
James Butz has been a rescue swimmer for 4 years, but Tuesday's rescue was a first-time experience for him. 2 passengers saved, along with their cat and dog.
I think it's a rite of passage for every rescue swimmer to be able to get some pets.
James was part of the 4-person Coast Guard helicopter crew that was paged out early Tuesday morning by the passengers of a 40-foot catamaran in distress about 65 miles off Cape Hatteras.
It was about 30 to 40 mile an hour winds. It was about 10 to 15 foot seas.
Once they got on scene, James hopped in the water, swam to the boat where 2 people, their cat and dog, were waiting for him.
We elected to have the first survivor take the cat with them. So we ended up putting the cat in a dry bag to keep it safe. And then after that, I swam back to the boat, and the second survivor was ready to go. And this one had a dog. So again, they were really well prepared. The dog had flotation as well. So it made our job super easy.
A team effort that makes a rescue like this possible. James in the water, the pilots keeping the helicopter steady, and a flight mechanic lowering and bringing everyone back into the helicopter.
It's a team effort, and it's why we train so hard all the time.
James also credits the people on the boat for being prepared to call for help, using an emergency positioning indicator radio beacon on board.
Having a working EPIRB like these people did, having proper flotation is very key to safety.
For James and the crew, an unforgettable experience being able to answer a call on this day and every day.
We do it for a reason. It gives us purpose. So yeah, to be able to go down and help those, in their worst times, I couldn't ask for anything more. I'm glad they get to spend New Year's dry and safe. So yeah, it's a great way to ring in the new year.
In the Outer Banks, Will Thomas, WTKR News 3.